Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Sorry I haven't made a video recently. It's because I've been on vacation for the last couple of weeks, which is pretty fun. You know, I can't complain. I'm not gonna come on here and do too much. I mean, if you want to join the Patreon, patreon.com/but I'm not a trader, right? That's soon gonna be out. I'm gonna be changing everything to a different platform, so the Patreon might not even exist within the next month. But oh yeah, SPX, I'm bearish, right? Like, I'm not really gonna go in here and tell you guys about what I think is gonna happen like during the day and stuff, because you know, I'll make a trade and it goes well and then it runs the other way. So I'll stick to maybe like a week, 2 week out predictions for now. So I'm bearish, right? I think we're more than likely going back down to like a, you know, 473, 474 within the next week or so. So that's my target right now. So yeah, been on vacation for a couple of weeks. Just came back on Saturday. It was fantastic. Now, you know, back to doing this, back to working, and you know, so far so good. Have a new strategy that I built for 0 DTE options, and I took again, this is on a paper account on Webull, right? I took a 4K account to 180 something K, I think 180K. Yeah, well, I mean, I don't want to show it because, you know, whatever. I'll show it to like the Patreon in the chat. But yeah, took 4K to like 180K or almost 200K in the last like month or so. So yeah, it seems to work pretty well. If you guys want to know what the strategy is, obviously join the Patreon. I think I've been looking into like something called like Whoosh, which sounds like pretty badass, where you can put like your strategies and courses and stuff. So I'll probably end up moving everything there. I might make the Telegram free. I'm not sure yet. And then, you know, if I end up moving the platform, then cool. But, you know, I think the Telegram for, you know, but also don't want it to get like super, you know, convoluted where I have like 1,000 people in there just fucking commenting at once, right? Like that. I hate that shit. So I don't know. I like having a small community, but I think it's time to grow. So I might make the Telegram like open to everybody. And then obviously if you want to know more about like, you know, how to do all this stuff, you know, because we got people in there making this, you know, shout out to Source, who's is the biggest gain I've ever seen, I think, in crypto. I think he has like at peak he had like a $2.7 million gain, which is ridiculous. And that's all live, right? He's been with the chat for a while now. So he's insane, bro. So people like that, which is why I like keeping the chat on, like, you know, with minimal people, right? Because we have so many good traders on there, bro. Like, I had to argue, like, I think we only have maybe like 100 people, like the Telegram community and like our chat in the Patreon, that, you know, I don't even want to open it because I want to gatekeep that shit. You know what I mean? It's just like a handful of us, and everybody's just making a shit ton of money, like big numbers and stuff, which is ridiculous. But yeah, I'm bearish for the next 2 weeks. We just closed an 8-hour bear trigger. The last time that happened, again, we went down from, you know, 480 down to 467, right? If that happens again, I think we're probably gonna break this trend, go down here, maybe come back up to like a 474, and then that kind of leads us into like a 460, but we'll see. But for now, for the next 2 weeks, I am pretty bearish. CPI headline came in hot, so we'll see what's going on. But yeah, I'm bearish. Join the Patreon, do whatever you want. Happy New Year 2024. Whew.